talking about AI agents, but if you're a busy, non-technical person, how can you actually use AI agents to make your day-to-day life more efficient? For me, it started with a task that I did every single week that was so time-consuming, which is online shopping. I used to spend hours scrolling trying to find the perfect clothes, the perfect decor, the perfect everything. I would switch from site to site to site, trying to find the right price, the right product, and despite all of my hours spent, half the time I would still end up with a product that was not at all what I expected. But Wizard is the first AI agent ever built to solve that exact problem. It does all of the work for you, reading customer reviews, editorials, product specs, so you don't have to spend hours scrolling trying to find the right item. And today, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it so you can find better products faster. First, we're going to tackle the biggest questions you probably have, which is 1, what is an AI shopping agent? And 2, why is that better than something I'm already using like Google or Amazon? AI shopping agents are an artificial intelligence system that searches for, evaluates, and recommends products for a user based on their preferences. In some cases, an agent can even make a purchase for a customer, but we aren't quite there yet. Now, why would you shop with an AI shopping agent when you could just use Google or Amazon? When you shop on Google or Amazon, they show you every single option there is, including sponsored products, ads, and products from sites or companies that don't even exist. Meaning the entire workload of researching products, comparing prices, and reading customer reviews lands on you. What should be a super simple task turns into hours of doom scrolling. AI shopping agents, on the other hand, do all of that work for you. You just explain what you need, and Wizard scans the entire web, reading thousands of customer reviews, editorials, and product specs in seconds to bring you the 5 best products that actually work for you. Wizard pulls results from over 30,000 authorized retailers, meaning you're always getting a high-quality product that you can trust. Now, let's see how shopping with an AI shopping agent actually works. To get started, first of all, you need to create an account with Wizard. If you don't already have a Wizard account, be sure to click the link down below in the description to sign up and make a free account and follow along for the rest of this video right now. In order to sign up, it's super easy. You have the options to sign in with Google, Apple, or you could go ahead and enter your phone number. Once you have an account made, you'll find yourself on our homepage. Down here, we have some popular searches that you could try just by clicking on them. But if you want to make a custom search, you're going to be doing that using this search bar right here. That being said, there's definitely an art when it comes to shopping with AI. For example, if you type best skincare, you aren't going to get the best results because your search wasn't tailored to you. Versus if you type best skincare serums to help prevent wrinkles under $40, you're going to get much better results. The best framework to remember when shopping with AI is the 3 Ps. Purpose, or what you're going to be using the product for. Preferences, such as colors, materials, ingredients. And lastly, price. Of course, you can add in more details, but this framework will typically give you really great results. So, using this framework, we're going to start a new search for a camera. So I'm going to go ahead and say best camera for content creation, small enough to put in a purse, under $1,500. And then we can just go ahead and click the blue arrow on the right here. And here are the results. As you can see, every single product recommendation stays within our budget, so they're all under $1,500. And all of them are small enough to fit in a purse. Also, all of them are really tailored for content creation. As you can see, most of them have the flip screen, so you can see yourself if you're vlogging or anything like that. So, as you can see, these are really great options that are tailored towards my preferences and what I need. Versus if I just input good camera, as you can see, we get a much wider range of results that probably aren't going to be a fit for what I'm actually searching for. Now, let's say you really like one of these camera options, but it's kind of expensive, you're not quite ready to pull the trigger and buy it. That is totally fine. On Wizard, you're able to create a favorites list where you can save items that maybe you're not ready to buy yet, but you still want to have the links to them, you still want to have access to them. So I'm going to go ahead and just click this little bookmark button up in the upper right hand corner of this Sony camera. And just like that, a little pop-up added to favorites. You could click on this in order to view your favorites, or you could view your favorites anytime by clicking this back arrow out of Wizard, or out of your Wizard search, that is. And then we're going to click these three little kind of hamburger icon, you could call it. And then we're going to click on favorites. And here you can see everything I've ever saved. As you can see, this is really awesome because you could save items from really any site across the web. I have items from Best Buy saved, I have items from Michael saved, I have items from Anthropologie saved. Now, whenever I'm ready to make a purchase, I could go ahead and just select any of these items and go ahead and check out. On Wizard, if there's a specific item you want to buy, but you don't know how to describe it, you can also shop with an image. If you're on mobile, you can just snap a photo of the item and Wizard will find it for you, as well as other similar options. But since I'm on my laptop, I'm just going to go ahead and choose our upload an image option. So I found this photo of Ashton Earl at Coachella and I absolutely love the belt she's wearing. That being said, I have no idea where it's from and I really don't know what I would search in order to find it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a screenshot of it. And something really key to note here is to screenshot this specific item you're looking for, not like the entire outfit, because this could cause some confusion on what product you're asking Wizard to search for. So we just did the belt, and now I'm going to take that screenshot and drop it into Wizard, and I'm going to hit find this product. And as you can see, we actually got her exact belt as our top match. And if we scroll over to the right here, we got some other belt options that are super similar. So you could just go ahead and choose your favorite, choose whatever's the best fit, and shop any of these instantly. Now, let's talk about the final step of shopping with Wizard, which is, of course, checking out. Buying any product on Wizard is super easy. Anyone that Wizard's partnered with, such as Best Buy or Backcountry, you can just go ahead and hit add to cart and actually check out directly inside of Wizard. And just like any other site really, you can go ahead and pay with a credit card or you could pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay. If you come across a product on Wizard that you'd like to buy but that company isn't partnered with Wizard, no worries at all. You'll just see this dark blue visit store option. You could click this and it will link out to whatever store that this product is being sold at, and you would just go ahead and check out like you regularly would on any other site. But that being said, we do have a lot of very exciting partnerships coming up in the future, so be sure to follow along so you don't miss out on any of them. Thank you guys so much for watching and learning how to use Wizard. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the link down below in the description to sign up and create a Wizard account for free. We also have all of our other socials linked down below, so be sure to follow us so you don't miss out on any of the exciting updates Wizard has coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.